Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, this is second point 1 and name of our poem is The Clothes Line. What is the name of the poem? The Clothes Line. Dear student, you may have surprised what is this cloth line means. Yes, let's understand what poet is talking about clothes line. Before starting this poem, just I'll read it for you, then we will have explanation stanza by stanza. Hand in hand they dance in a row, heater and theater and to and fro. Flip, flap, flop, and away they go, fluttering creatures as white as snow. Like restive horses they caper and prance, like fairy tale witches they wildly dance. Rounded in a front but hollow behind, they shiver and skip in the merry March wind. One I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free. Then, leaving pegs and clothesline behind her, she flew like a bird and no one can find her. I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun, flipping and flopping for fun. Nobody knows where she now can be, hid in a ditch or drowned in the sea. She was my handkerchief not long ago, but she will never come back to my pocket, I know. See here, this poem I have read it for you. Only four stanzas are there. Yes, and two lines, four stanzas and two lines. Dear student, poet is here talking about clothes line, means where ladies keep their clothes to dry. The rope, yes or no, the line where the women they are keeping their clothes to dry. Like something about poet may have think and share the experience with us. See, hand in hand they dance in a row. Dear student, hand in hand means when we keep our clothes to dry, we are keeping those in a line. So it's look like a hand in hand. Yes, heater and theater and to and fro and to and fro. Flip, flap, flop and away they go. See, when the clothes are there in on a line, they looks like they are hand in hand and they are in the sunshine, they are in the wind. Flip flop, they are in the wind means when the wind is there, air is there, blowing air is there, so the clothes on a clothes line they are making a noise like flip flap flop. Yes, and if see, sometimes the clothes because of the heavy wind they are flew away from the cloth line also. Fluttering creatures as white as snow, and some of the white clothes are also there. They look like snow on the line. Like restive horses, they caper and prance. See, like restive horses means sometimes if there is the heavy wind, the clothes they are flew away, no, in a high speed. Like fairy tales, witches they wildly dance. And see, if there is the heavy wind, air is there, so these clothes are having dance means they are moving as like flip flap flop, yes or no. So when they are moving, when they are because of air, the movement of the clothes is being done, it's look like they are dancing. Rounded in front but hollow behind, Sometimes they are rounding also themselves. They shiver and skip in the merry March wind, and they are changing their position when in a merry March wind. If see March wind means see in the March month they are talking about. One I saw dancing excitedly. One day, poet has seen the clothes were dancing, and poet has seen it excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free. See, now they are talking about something. We will understand who was she. Poet is telling struggling. She was struggling so wildly until she was free. Then, leaving page and clothesline behind her, she flew like a bird, and she was kept where she was kept on the clothesline. And wind came, and she flew like a bird, and no one can find her. And she flew like a bird that everyone was behind her, but no one could find her. I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun, and poet has seen gleam of her. Poet has seen gleam of her. Yes, it was like a sail in the sun, flipping and flopping for fun. See, she was flipping, flapping, flopping for fun. Nobody knows where she now can be. And because of wind, she has flew like a bird that no one could find her, and it was looking like a fun. Yes, now can be hid in a ditch or drowned in the sea. Maybe where she has gone, maybe she has hid in the ditch, may she has gone in the sea, that no one doesn't know where is she. She was my handkerchief not long ago. And dear student, who was she? She was my handkerchief. See, you people also may keep your handkerchief on clothesline for drying, but you put something there, yes or no? So that handkerchief doesn't flew away, but here poet's handkerchief was there on clothesline and it flew away, and she is worried that it flew away like a bird, no one could find it, and she was her poet's handkerchief. Okay, but she will never come back to my pocket, I know. And poet knew that she will means the handkerchief will not come in poet's pocket again. Okay, dear student, this is very nice and very easy poem for you to understand. Okay, some words are given here. Restive means restless, facty, unable to remain still. Caper, leap, skip or dance about in lively. Pranks, walk or move with high, springy steps. Widely here it means very hard, violently. Pegs means pins used to secure something in place, as for example clothes on a clothesline. See, pegs means the pins are there, we are keeping on a clothesline, that clothes should not go anywhere. See, this was the poem, dear student, for you. I am giving you pointers and I will share with you link in the description box. Dear student, I request you, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.